Ever felt that pang of worry when you think about the security of your crypto? In a world where digital assets are increasingly valuable, keeping them safe is paramount. But what if I told you there's a hardware wallet that not only offers top-notch security but also fits right in your pocket, almost unnoticed? We're talking about the Tangem wallet, a sleek and minimalist solution for safeguarding your cryptocurrencies. But just how big is this little powerhouse? That's exactly what we're going to explore today. Forget bulky devices with complicated interfaces. The Tangem wallet takes a different approach. Imagine a credit card, that's essentially the size we're dealing with here. Measuring in at a mere 85.6 mm x 53.98 mm, it adheres to the standard ID1 format. In inches, that's roughly 3.37 inches by 2.13 inches. And when it comes to thickness, it's incredibly slim, at just 0.8 millimeters, less than a millimeter. To put that into perspective, that's about the same thickness as a standard credit card or debit card you probably already have in your wallet. This compact form factor is a deliberate design choice, and it brings a wealth of benefits. Firstly, portability is a huge advantage. You can easily slip the Tangem wallet into any card slot in your existing wallet without adding any noticeable bulk. Unlike some hardware wallets that can be quite cumbersome, the Tangem feels natural to carry around. Secondly, its discreet design doesn't scream, "I'm carrying valuable crypto." This low profile can be a significant security feature in itself, as it doesn't draw unwanted attention. Beyond its physical dimensions, the Tangem wallet's size contributes to its ease of use. There are no buttons or screens. Instead, it relies on secure NFC, near-field communication, technology. This means interacting with your wallet is as simple as tapping it against your smartphone. The simplicity of the design, directly influenced by its compact size, makes it incredibly user-friendly, even for those new to the world of cryptocurrency. Now, don't let its small size fool you. Packed within this credit card-sized device is a powerful secure element that provides robust protection for your private keys. This chip is designed to be tamper-proof, safeguarding your assets against online threats and unauthorized access. The size doesn't compromise security. In fact, the focus on a single, secure element simplifies the architecture and reduces potential attack vectors. Think about the convenience. You can keep your crypto keys offline, protected from internet vulnerabilities, and still have them readily accessible whenever you need to make a transaction. The Tangem wallet size makes this seamless integration into your daily life a reality. So, to answer the initial question directly, the Tangem wallet is about the same size as a standard credit card, slim, compact, and incredibly portable. This design philosophy prioritizes both security and convenience, offering a unique approach to cryptocurrency hardware wallets. It proves that powerful security doesn't have to come in a bulky package. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.